Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these lamb chops with a creamy sauce. So first, into your large bowl you want to add some parsley, some fresh rosemary, followed by some fresh thyme. Then add in your spring onion and fresh garlic. And then you want to add in your dried seasoning. So I've got some all-purpose, some mixed herbs, Italian seasoning, paprika, garlic powder, chipotle chilies, or you can use regular crushed chilies. Then I have some peppercorns that I'm grinding down, followed by some salt. I've got pink Himalayan salt here. I add in a few drizzles of oil and then blend this down using a hand blender. Use this to marinate your lamb chops. I have 600 grams worth of lamb chops. Marinate them for 1 hour, 10 minutes before you're ready to cook. Take them out of the fridge so that it can get back to room temperature. Add some oil to the pan. Over a medium heat, then you can add in your lamb chops. I've cooked mine for 4 to 5 minutes on each side, but you can cook them for however long you want. Once done, I leave them to rest aside on a plate, and then I add a little bit of a crumbled up stock cube to the pan, scrape down the excess, add in a splash of water, then here I've just added in 150 milliliters of double cream. And this is the final product. This is what it looks like. I hope you guys really enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.